If you've ever saved a password in Opera and then couldn't remember where to find it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access saved passwords in Opera browser step by step in just a few seconds. This is super helpful if you need to sign into a website, recover a login, or simply check credentials you already stored in your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera browser on your computer. In the very top left corner of the browser window, click the Opera O logo. This opens the main menu with all of Opera's settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click Settings near the bottom. This will take you to Opera's main settings page, where you can manage privacy, autofill, passwords, and more. Once the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the section header titled Autofill or Passwords. Depending on your Opera version, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the area that manages saved login information. When you find it, click on Password Manager. This is where Opera stores the passwords you've saved for websites. Inside the Password Manager, you'll see a list of saved website accounts. Find the website you want to access, then look to the right side of that entry. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to the website name. Opera may ask you to confirm your identity first using your device password or system login, and that's normal for security. Once confirmed, the saved password will appear on the screen and you can copy it if needed. Just be sure to keep this information private and only use it on your own account. And that's it! You now know how to access saved passwords in Opera browser quickly and easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial.